Hi guys, what's up? Today we're going to be decorating this slime, which you can find at Walmart. It's the Elmer's Goo, and it is so good. I've literally had this slime for like a year, and it's like not even expired yet. I have the big bucket under my desk, but this is just some slime that came out of this squishy. And if you want to see that squishy when it popped, then go to my channel on the episode. My squishy popped. That was not a good day, but I thought, why not decorate this slime? So let's get all of our materials. Let's go. So first, I got my Touch Mingo 60 PC markers. Let's pick some colors. Guys, which one should I do? There's just too many options. Um, mm, Maybe I could make like a red slime, or maybe like a pastel color. Ooh, or like a blue. I think I'm gonna stick to red. We can make like a pretty red. Guys, which red do you like? Yeah, you're out. No markers were hurt in that process. Okay, now I chose this dark red. So now I just gotta open it and mix it in slime. Here goes nothing. Ooh, it looks like a Christmas slime. I think that's good. Mix, mix, mix. So I added more of the red in and mixed for a while, but it's like a light pink type of orange-ish red, and I want to have a really dark red, so we're just gonna add some more, because look at that color difference. Guys, do you think I added a little too much? Okay, anyways, I gotta pick up all of this red on my table. I love how cute it's turning. It's turning into like a cute ketchup color. But hopefully it doesn't stick to the plate, though. I had to put a plate down because my table was turning red. But doesn't this remind you guys of the watermelon squishy? Like, so satisfying. So I was thinking maybe I could put slime clay in this. So I'm gonna check on slime clay I made in a recent video of making a mini slime challenge, and I actually made it like a light blue. It was white in the video, but I decided to make it blue. So this is how it is now because it's my favorite color, light blue, and I'm kind of worried that the clay is gonna air dry out and harden like this one did, but I'm gonna try to fix it. Yeah, no, this one hardened so much, right, Labubu? Oh, you can be that way. Okay, anyways, this is so hard, like, it expired so fast, so I don't think I'm gonna put clay in that one. This is so satisfying, though, with or without the clay. I think I'm just gonna stick to without. I'm gonna see if I have any cute glitter to put in this. Holographic glitter beads? Yes. I kind of want to make this crunchy now with all the beads. Yeah, we're just gonna put so much in. ASMR. Guys, you know what this is reminding me of? It actually reminds me of the cherry slushy. Like, it is so good, but we need more glitter. Oh my gosh, watch this crunchy slime ASMR. Don't mind my nails. Should I like low-key put this in a balloon and make a squishy? That one didn't go so good. I think I'm just gonna keep it as slime though. I do have more crunchy beads, so I don't know if I should put more or not. Yeah, let's put more. Guys, I need to stop myself. I literally cannot stop putting glitter in this slime. I literally have holographic glitter beads all in my room and in my hair. But I definitely think that that squishy popping was meant to be, because look what we made. This is such a good slime. Okay, but now I have to rate this slime out of 10. First, let's do an ASMR poke. I love how crunchy it is. Definitely, it's not as good as the cloud slime one, so I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10. Next, we have to make the slime circle. So cute. I'll rate that an 7.5 out of 10. It wasn't really the best one, but that's also because this isn't the world's biggest slime. Next, let's do squish. I've already squished this so much, so you guys already know it's going to be 10 out of 10 for the squish. I love it so much. Next, and last but not least, is the slime bubble, the hardest one. Okay, guys, this is not working, so let me try one more time off camera. Yeah, no, the slime bubble was 0 out of 10. We didn't even get one. I think all the beads made it a little bit too heavy. But the final rating on this slime, drum roll please, 8.5 out of 10. It's not 10 quality, but it's a really good slime. It is really satisfying. And honestly, I'm kind of glad that Squishy popped because we got to make this slime. Bye, guys.